Hey rock stars! I thought you might be interested in knowing how the guitar that I play every week when I come to you for music is built. So we're going to go through the sequence of steps it takes to build an acoustic guitar. At the end of the video, we're going to review. We're going to talk about what the first steps were and what needed to occur in order for the guitar to eventually be finished. First, strips of wood are bent into shape to create the sides of the guitar. Then, the top and back of the guitar are cut out. Next, all of the support pieces are cut and installed into the frame of the guitar. Following that, the neck of the guitar is cut out and sanded so it is smooth. Eventually, the wood of the guitar is stained and sealed. Over time, the stain and sealant will dry and cure. After that is complete, the hardware is installed. This includes the tuners, bridge, and frets. Finally, the strings are installed, the guitar is tuned and polished, and given to the musician. So now let's review. In the beginning, what happened? So what were the first few steps? Next, those steps were followed by which next steps? Over time, what occurred? And I need you to be specific. Eventually, those steps led to what? In order for the guitar to be built, what had to happen? Remember to be specific and list everything you can think of. Great job today on learning the sequence of steps in order to build a guitar. I want to see you build your own now. Rock on, peeps!